In this video, we will provide 11 effective solutions to fix iPhone iMessage not working step by step. Fix 1. Check network connection. Step 1. Go to Settings Wi-Fi and ensure you're connected. Or go to Settings Cellular and turn on mobile data. Step 2. Open Safari or another app to test internet access. Step 3. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular. Step 4. Turn airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Fix 2. Turn on iMessage. Step 1. Open Settings Messages and toggle iMessage on. Step 2. Tap Send and Receive. Confirm your Apple ID and phone number. Step 3. If it's already enabled, turn it off. Wait for 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. Fix 3. Sign out and sign back into iMessage. Step 1. Open the Settings application on your iPhone, then scroll down to Messages and click on it. Step 2. Now click on Send and Receive. Step 3. Choose the ID option next to the Apple ID and select Sign Out from the menu. Step 4. Restart your iPhone and sign back in with your Apple ID. Fix 4. Check iPhone storage space. Step 1. Launch the Settings application on your iPhone. Step 2. Find and choose the General option and select iPhone storage. From there, check the available space on your device. Step 3. If you don't have sufficient space on the device, delete unused apps, photos, or large files. Fix 5. Check date and time settings. Step 1. Go to Settings General Date and Time and enable Set Automatically. Step 2. If it's already enabled, toggle it off and on, then confirm the correct time zone. Fix 6. Restart iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button plus volume button for newer models and swipe to power off. Step 2. Wait for about 10 seconds, then turn the device back on. Fix 7. Reset network settings. Step 1. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 2. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode. Step 3. Reconnect to Wi-Fi to see whether the iMessage is not working on iPhone after the update issue is resolved. Fix 8. Update iOS system. Step 1. Open Settings General Software Update. Step 2. Check for available updates. Then tap Download and install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Fix 9. Check Apple server status. To check the server status, open the Apple System Status page and look for the iMessage service. If it shows green, everything is working fine. If there's an issue, you'll need to wait for Apple to resolve it. Fix 10. Use iOS system recovery. If none of the above methods resolve the issue, it's likely a system-level problem, such as corrupted or faulty system files. In such cases, using a professional repair tool is a more efficient option. iOS system recovery can fix various system issues, including iMessage not working, freezing, black screen, and more, without data loss. Step 1. Launch the iOS system recovery on a PC using a USB. Select the More Tools option from the interface and select iOS system recovery. Step 2. Click Start, then select Standard Mode, which will not cause data loss. Step 3. Tap the repair icon to download firmware on the phone. After downloading the firmware, the tool will fix the iMessage not working on iPhone 17 issues. Your device will return to normal in a short while. Fix 11. Seek Apple support. If none of the methods work, the issue may involve a deeper hardware or account level fault. In this case, it's recommended to contact Apple support for professional assistance. You can visit an Apple store, contact online customer support, or submit the issue through the Apple Support app for help from professionals in diagnosing and resolving the problem.